Welcome to this meditation with Peaceful Wren. This morning practice is designed to awaken your inner energy and set clear, positive intentions for the day ahead. Whether you're just waking up or starting your day, this meditation will help you cultivate focus, confidence, and purposeful energy that will carry you through whatever lies ahead. Find a comfortable seated position with your spine naturally upright. If you're still in bed, you can sit on the edge or prop yourself up with pillows. Rest your hands comfortably on your knees or in your lap. Let's begin by connecting with your breath and gently awakening your body and mind. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your chest and belly expand. And exhale fully through your mouth, releasing any remnants of sleep or grogginess. Again, breathe in deeply, drawing fresh energy into your body. And exhale, letting go of any heaviness or fatigue. One more energizing breath in, filling yourself with vitality and clarity. And breathe out, feeling more alert and present with each exhale. Now, let's gently awaken your body from the inside out. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, golden light beginning to glow there, like the first rays of sunrise. Feel this light slowly spreading down through your scalp, warming and energizing as it goes. Let this golden energy flow down into your forehead, around your eyes, releasing any tension and bringing clarity to your vision for the day. Feel the light continue down through your cheeks and jaw, softening and awakening these areas. Now, let this warm energy flow down into your neck and shoulders. As it moves through, your shoulders naturally release and your neck feels strong and flexible. The golden light continues down through your arms, all the way to your fingertips. Your arms feel light yet powerful, ready to embrace the day's activities. Feel the energy flowing through your chest now, warming your heart center and expanding your rib cage. Your breath becomes deeper and more energizing. This golden light moves down through your torso, awakening your core strength and filling your belly with confident energy. Let the light flow down through your hips and pelvis, grounding you while maintaining that sense of vibrant aliveness. Feel the energy moving down through your thighs, knees, and calves, all the way down to your feet. Your legs feel strong and ready to carry you forward with purpose. Now, with your whole body awakened and energized, let's set your intentions for this day. Think about how you want to show up today. What qualities do you want to embody? Maybe it's patience and kindness, perhaps confidence and creativity, or calm focus and determination. Choose one or two qualities that feel most important for your day ahead. Take a moment to really connect with these intentions. See yourself moving through your day, embodying these qualities. Imagine yourself handling challenges with grace, interacting with others from this centered, intentional place. Feel how good it feels to live from this authentic, purposeful energy. Now, place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Take a deep breath and silently or softly speak your intention. You might say something like, "I move through this day with confidence and kindness," or, "I approach today with calm focus and open curiosity." Whatever feels true for you in this moment. Breathe your intention into your body. Feel it settling into your cells, your muscles, your bones. This intention is now part of you, woven into your very being. Take 3 more energizing breaths, each one strengthening your connection to your intention and your inner vitality. Breathe in energy and purpose. Exhale fully, feeling grounded and ready. Again, inhale your intention deeply and exhale with confidence and clarity. One more breath, drawing in all the energy you need for your day and releasing with complete trust in your ability to live from this intentional place. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the energy flowing through your entire body. Roll your shoulders back and lift your chest, embodying the confidence and strength you've cultivated. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to appreciate this feeling of awakened energy and clear intention. As you move into your day, remember that you can return to this intention anytime. Simply take a breath, place your hand on your heart, and reconnect with the energy and purpose you've set. Have a wonderful, intentional day.